Welcome back. No, I'm just kidding. Good morning, guys. It's 7/2, August 2nd. We got a pigeon out in the decoys. 4 shooters today. I myself, Jackson. Noah's over here on the left. Tester's behind the camera. Cole Rupert on my right. Got about 20 pigeons down over this cornfield with a bunch of manure the farmer just laid. Saw the feed yesterday, about 40 birds looking for some early season geese. But so we're out here today and tomorrow doing a couple pigeon shoots, and hopefully we keep smacking them. It's a dove. No, don't shoot. Is it? Yes, it is. Oh, shoot it. Oh, nice shot. Whoever has the best shot. That'd be good.
Just one right in front.
We got 4 coming in from the beak.
I'm shooting one-handed. That was so fucking hard.
Noah, we fucked him up.
We did. I think we doubled them.
Yeah.
Oh, honestly, I would not be scared if there was these pigeons. I would really. Fuck yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah, you take that phone right now. Right there. Take up. Holy turn. This thing whipped. Yeah, Noah, take him. Oh shit, it's not dead. I only got 1 shell. Cole, it's
I got 3.
Alright, shoot him.
Nice.
Okay.
They're gonna walk by Google.
Take him, Google. Shoot him. I actually can't believe you. I cannot believe Google. I mean, I knew Mason was gonna be this bad, but.
Consent to shoot?
Consent. Doing a slow roll. Not too far. Oh shit. How many birds did we get today?
1, 2, I think there's 31 here.
How many do you think you shot?
Probably 30 of them.
That's pretty good, I'd say. That's pretty good. We're out here for about an hour and a half. Went through 7 boxes of shells. Did not shoot very good as a team today, but it was still pretty fun. Shot 7 birds.
Turn around, Tester. Turn around.
I mean, there's still birds coming in, even though we're just standing here.
Shoot. Stop walking at them.
But
Pigeons.
it was a good hunt today. We ran 2 dove mojos just for action. We DIY'd some pigeon silhouettes. A little paint job. Shout out to Grace Google for letting us use her paints. Also had some dove decoys out there as well. There's still pigeons flying around, but we're gonna call it a day for now. It's starting to get warm, so probably put this in content with tomorrow's pigeon hunt as well. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
How are we feeling?
Fucking awful.
Pretty shit feed so far.
I think we should go kill those.
We got 6 shooters today. Noah Dick's far left. Hot Dish 97. Rainbow Contra. Mason Chester. I'm behind the camera for the most part. And then we got Zach on the end with the GoPro getting some footage. We're hunting winter wheat field today. Cornfield yesterday, winter wheat field today. We've seen a shit ton of pigeons already.
Right there, right.
We're gonna keep it hot and heavy. Stay tuned.
You ready, please?
I think my plug is actually.
Why don't you load like before they get here? My plugs. Don't need a plug.
Shoot him. Good shooting, guys.
Oh.
Shoot that one, Noah.
Get him!
Dude, we got
I gotta
some there.
fucking move, dude. Brandon's just fucking spraying over
Good
here.
fucking shooting. Hey, they might come back here.
Yeah, that's gonna come.
They're low. Don't land.
I gotta shoot a semi-auto.
There might be a whitish one.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Oh, right here. 3 of them coming in the decoys. Take them.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Wait. 4 more.
I want this one though.
Alright, take them. Alright. Yeah, he can't. That one.
Alright, my gun is really hot.
They're coming back.
Oh, slow down.
There it is.
Ooh, there's some.
Alright, we'll shoot him on the ground. I got middle, Mace got right.
Yep, I got left one.
3,
Just kidding.
2.
Left.
They got up right as we were about to shoot. He's coming back.
He
What
ducked
the
it.
fuck? He's gotta go down. There's no way.
No, you completely. He ducked it like dead ass. He missed every BB at that.
Look at all these fucking shells, Ashley.
Yeah, we found that shell set. Well, we've also seen probably fucking 500 birds today.
Can we reload them all?
I don't think we've seen 500. I think we've just had
Two
the
over.
same 100
Two
birds coming in.
Oh yeah,
until we
2
kill
coming in
them.
hot.
Oh, come! Please!
Get the one with the white tips.
Let's see you guys.
What in the gay?
Oh, I get the one with the white tip. That one's sick as fuck.
It's because that one's a fucking live out there.
We should taxidermy all the cool ones.
Like a big mount. Like,
Holy
On this pass, we
No,
take
it's
one.
What the fuck is that way over there?
Take him. Oh! Let's go, Carl. I got that on video. I got that on video. Take him.
Holy shit!
that was
I got that Auburn one.
closer.
I was sick as fuck. Mace, all you here.
Oh, it missed.
All you, Mace. God, that was loud for some reason.
Is it full?
Just cover up. They can see us.
Yeah, right.
Yep,
Take
that
this
was
fucker.
Oh,
Ooh.
that really hurt it.
bad. Oh my gosh, this is kind of
Let these guys be. We're gonna get this big grip here.
Yeah, we need to come on this.
You know what that means? Hit the stopwatch for 1 second.
Figure yours, boys. No,
This is just yeah, I don't think this is any smaller than the
Shoot
other
him.
room.
Oh, why did we wait till they got further away? No, you should probably get back to this. Alright, get.
Fuck you pointing the camera at me. Look at that one get away. Where's that one that's been walking?
Hey!
We gotta take this over.
I'm not calling it. You call it. I'm filming. Actually, I'll call it. I'll call it. Take him. Get that one. Get that one. Get that one. Yes! Let's go. Watch him on the comeback here.
We were putting the fucking snag down. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're definitely already shooting better than yesterday. There's more coming. There's 2 more groups coming. I didn't even see those 3.
I don't understand how we unload like 15 shells at them at least and they still turn around and come back.
Because they're fucking retarded birds.
Cranes. Take these 2. On the ground too. Nobody shot the one on the ground. The one was sitting. He was a sitting duck.
Right there.
No, he sat on the ground.
Oh,
Big group.
Grab that! No one did you see that?
All right, wait.
I couldn't even see it.
First time, first time. Guys, congratulations. No, get back right again.
Take him.
Dude, I cannot. You gotta shoot one of them.
Going down.
This one's gonna look like I can't hear shit.
Yeah, we should have brought
How many
earplugs. Watch these 2 are landing. They just
bucks
landed.
do that?
I got another one in the truck we can go get.
Okay, let me ask.
You got shells?
I'm fucking running now.
I know. An all-white one. Yeah, we're cleaning them up out here. There's probably got close to around 100 pigeons. Starting to get some mixed ones. We got some with the white wings. We just cleaned up this white and auburn one. Got a brown head. Pretty cool. I mean, they're fucking everywhere. We cleaned up this really auburn one. This one might be the coolest one of the day. Catcher.
Oh my god, I'm gonna shoot that one.
No, wait for the big pack. Wait for the big pack.
Can't believe I shot it too. It's in the sprint.
Holy
Take them. They're not cycling through your guns. They're not cycling through your guns.
Yes, I think it might just be these shells. They're not fucking anti-magazine. Yes.
Watch these. Hey, they're coming back, come back, come back.
It keeps jamming.
Every time. Watch these ones. Up front, to the left.
They're everywhere. There's no tool left.
Take them.
Dude, these shells are shit.
There's one that's going down over there.
He's not going down. I fucking barely hit him.
What are you shooting at? Leave them be.
Holy shit. Oh, these things are
Hey,
hard.
hey. We got more.
We need to go kill these.
Dish, give me my shells.
No.
Hey, are you guys ready?
No, I'm not ready.
standing up waving.
Dude,
That ain't good. Come back, Carl. Come back, Carl. Alright. Feel hot in the barrel.
Yeah, shoot that.
Oh.
fucker. He's walking away.
Not as much. Holy.
Here we go. We got four. Shoot and burn.
Oh, what is that? What are those? Are those all pigeons?
I don't know. Take these two.
Those are
though.
definitely
Hey,
pigeons.
take these two though.
Oh, they're fucking.
There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Dr. Dish, you just hit fired that pigeon. You just hit fired him.
2 for 2.
2 for 2. Another one just folded.
Dish, coming in.
How many pigeons did you shot today?
123.
Dish, how many pigeons did you shot today?
147.
Tester?
No, that was 83.
What was the final pigeon count?
120.
We put a hammer on them! We had constant action, 2 hours straight. They just kept coming in, we kept laying them down. We probably went through a fuck ton of shows, but we shot way better than we did yesterday. 120 pigeons, new PR for, I think, all of us. So, pretty good pigeon hunt. Shot a lot of auburns and blacks.
Got 3 coming out.
Saw some of the cooler ones. Got these auburns and blacks. We got one all white. So, pretty good hunt today. Mojos again. Dove decoys, a few more of them. And then the silhouettes stayed out. 6 shooters. They all shot pretty good. Took turns filming. Get some content later. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.